Hi, I'm Arun Kumar from Ascens College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, we are going to see about IP addressing in the IoT. Generally, the Internet Protocol version 4 is having 32-bit address. It is four decimal numbers separated by dots. For example, 198.136.56.2 for 32 bits. It is calculated by using a binary numbers. Each decimal number is a decimal value of an octet equal to 8 bits. So 1 bit equal to 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So it is to be followed based on the decimal numbers. Next one is processing. So initially the source and destination address of the concerned TCP protocol stack has been followed by source address, destination IP address, and calculation of number of bits which is to be followed in the protocols. So that has to be identified in this source diagram, especially for internet protocol. Bytes and bits has to be assigned in this versions. The one of the technique checksum is used to identify the errors which is to be modified and forwarded to the protocol, and it is rectified the concern errors so that it can able to transmit or retransmit to the TCP protocols. Source and IP address destination. So the length of the concern number of bits has to be identified, and their operation has to be checked by checksum operation so that it will able to transmit the data without any errors. So if it is errors, then automatically reset the number of bytes in this length format. After that, it will transmit the correct data to the checksum, so then it will process to the destination IP address. Subnet address. So subnet is the additional addressing unit which is convert the bytes to the protocols, and then it will forward to the routers. The subnet address for the use within the group internally and is invisible to the outside world because it is a subnet. It is under the operation of internal unit. A subnet is a subnet network consisting of number of hosts or nodes or devices or machines. It has to be used for a lot of machines or devices or nodes. So initially the networks has been classified into three types: class A and class B and class B networks. The three x specify the network group 224 out of hosts. Next one is two hosts, two class B 2x.x specify three network group of 216 hosts, as well as the one x specify a smaller group 28 hosts. Class A network group address. So the addresses are initially a more class X. It is between 0 to 255, and the N is between 1 and 126. For the address between 1 to 126, the neighboring nodes are calculated by 32-bit format. It has to be identified as 31 equals to 0. And next, class B networks. The group address has calculated by the same process. Here it will start from 31 up to 30, then the corresponding bits has to be followed by 10. And next one is class C networks. So it is also a same process which is followed in the previous class C and class B. The one thing is IP address 32 has three MSB bits, 31 to 30 and as well as 29. The previous bits has to be calculated and are added to the subnet of the concerned networks, and the value of this concerned C network is 11. Dynamic IP address. All the informations are passes from class A, class B, class C networks, especially for dynamic IP address. More number of hosts has been added in this dynamic IP address. It is converted to the number of hosts or as well as the internet connections for more number of processing informations. When the device connect to the router and devices use the DHCP, dynamic host control protocols. Assessments. Though ARP and RARP is playing an important role in this lookup table because address resolution protocol and reverse address resolution protocols are mainly used for 32-bit address calculation, because if it is having any error in the address bits, then automatically it will reverse the checking process by using a reverse address resolution protocol in the Mac. After that, finalizing the concern address, then only it can able to transmit the number of bits to the table. So the table stores the IP address it one column and node MAC address in another column, so that we can able to see the number of addressing information as row and column. Thank you.